Long time no talk, everybody. Obviously, the scene has changed a little bit. I've made a few videos before that I just never uploaded. I'll get those up shortly. I don't know if this video will come before or after those, but I had to make this. So there's a lot of updates. Not sure if I'll cover them all in this video, but I figured I might as well get started right now just because I'm pretty excited. So yeah, I'll start with the G-Wagon and then I'll explain where we're sitting right now. So if you remember a few videos back, I said I was looking for a G-Wagon. Well, this is the G-Wagon I picked up. It is a 2007 silver with black interior. Super clean, 2-owner car, single family car. The guy's parents owned it before him and he bought it from his parents. And then I bought it from him. I bought it with 96,000 miles. It is pretty immaculate. As immaculate as this year of car would be, in my opinion. It's a little dirty. I live in the Pacific Northwest, so I get my fair share of pine needles and whatnot, but yeah. And I got some surprises in the back, of course. Oh, first mod I did were the updated, I think these are the 18 plus tails, fully LED, and it has the like the full line for the blinker and the hazard. It looks pretty sweet. So yeah, I already got a lift for it. It's the ORC Springs Coney Raid shocks. I got some spacers just in case I need them. New track bar, new tie rod end setup, and then I have a Fox steering stabilizer under all that. I have like 34.5-inch tires that I still haven't dropped off, and then I have some 463 Industries like Overland Edition wheels. They kind of look like a simulated beadlock wheel. They're super fucking expensive, but it's hard to find good wheels for G-Wagons, so I bit the bullet and just went for it. It's on 33s right now with no lift, so the lift I got it will be 2 inches higher, and then the tires, it'll probably sit about 2.5, 3 inches taller than it is right now, which may be a problem because I probably just make it because the clearance to the roof is close. But yeah, I'll make more videos on this as we go on. I kind of just want to make this kind of like a life update while we're here. So yeah, let's go upstairs for a little bit. So obviously, as you can tell, we're not in the old garage anymore. If you've watched my old videos, we sold that house. And we were living with friends. We were planning on building a house, but since we're expecting a baby now, yay, we decided we had to get into a house sooner. Unfortunately, or fortunately, one of the cryptocurrencies I invested in kind of exploded overnight. So I sold a little bit of that and we were able to secure a pretty baller house, in my opinion. So yeah, this is it. It's a 3-car garage. The ceiling is probably half the height of my old one, but that's okay. That was super annoying. As you can see, this one already has the floor coating, the lighting, and it's a way better start overall. So yeah, that's the garage, and I'll give you guys a little walk around of the house. I know my channel is primarily car related, but I think we can all appreciate a cool pad. So this is the lower level. When you pull up off the street, you pull up to this level. This is level with the street, I guess, is a better way of putting it. You can't really see out there, but this is a super cool door. Really, it would be cool if you had like a roommate, because this whole lower level has its own setup. This is like your living room down here. There's 2 bedrooms. And there's a shit ton of space. Like they all have their own walk-in closet and stuff. This is the bathroom. Although I'm kind of confused on, keep in mind, this is like my first real time, like now that the house is closed, looking at shit. How the fuck am I supposed to put a, oh, I guess I'm an idiot. You can just put an extendable rod there. Okay, sorry. Excuse my simple-mindedness, I'm super tired. Here's the second bedroom. I guess this one doesn't have a walk-in closet, but still nice. This is a 1940s house that was completely gutted to the studs and redone, so no one has lived in it since the remodel was done. So upstairs is, besides the garage, upstairs is, it's where you want to be. We haven't furnished it yet. We just closed today and got the keys like 3 hours ago, so nothing's here yet. This is the dining room slash kitchen. Pretty dope, right? Finally have gas appliances. I've been dying for those. Hate electric. Sink, big window. That's another thing. This has amazing windows and glass doors. I'm all about it. This is where my office is gonna be. Again, super tall glass doors. The doors are so big, I know it's hard to make it in the picture, but they need 4 hinges per door. So that's how tall these doors are. They're not your average doors. Same with the front entrance. Super dope. One of my favorite parts is it has a wraparound deck. So that wraps all the way around, and then we'll go out there. Turn these lights on. Oh, there we go. So yeah, it wraps all the way around and it comes out to here. And this is all covered and lighted with can lighting. So yeah, pretty stoked on that. Probably gonna leave those lights on. We aren't moving in today, obviously. Oh, hold on. There we go. I just wanted to check on some stuff and drop off some of the stuff I was gonna put in my garage. So this is like I guess this would be considered the living room. This opens up to the backyard. There's the fireplace. It is a gas fireplace and it is remote controlled. I'm obsessed with fireplaces and I've wanted one for a very long time. Oof. Dope. You gonna turn off? Thank you. All right. And then go over here. Another bedroom. Who gives a shit? This is the upstairs guest bathroom. Pretty sweet. Again, I'm crazy about glass, so I was stoked about that. Laundry room. Super nice. Windows. Tiled. And the master. Yeah, super tall ceilings. Master's not quite as big as our other one, but again, with our other house, we had a wall not put up, so it was like 2 rooms put into a single master, but this master is still plenty big. It might not look big on camera, but like with everything else, it's hard to put a perspective on it unless you're in person. This is the bathroom, which is pretty dope. Again, glass door so you can see your partner butt naked. Double vanity, a bath that we're never gonna use because I have a super low heat tolerance and my wife hates baths because she's a germaphobe. But we have a baller ass shower. Walk-in closet that none of my clothes are gonna go in because my wife is gonna steal all the space. Shitter, storage, and yeah, that's about it. I wanted to show you guys that. I've been stoked. I know I've been saying in my other videos that we've been looking for a house and we weren't sure what we were gonna do. Yeah, this is what we're doing. So, yeah, we're gonna get jumping on some car stuff pretty quick here. Let me find a mirror so I can talk to you guys without flipping the phone onto my face. There we go. So yeah, this is the new house. You saw the G-Wagon. This is what we've been doing besides working. Oh yeah, I work from home. I don't know if I can't remember honestly how my videos have gone, but I work from home full time now doing data analyst stuff, which is my dream job. Well, besides being like a fucking NASCAR driver or something, but yeah, I do IT now. So that's what's new with me. I had been waiting to get like a race car type bill just until we got the house because I had to put a lot of money down to get this house. I didn't want to risk not being able to get the house just so I could have a toy to play with. So now that we've secured the house, I'm going to put all the shit on the G-Wagon, get that ready to go because that's my daily, even though I don't really need a daily anywhere, but that's my daily. And then we'll start looking for another project car. So yeah, I will make another video soon kind of going over what the next build is going to be. I haven't decided on it yet. It really depends how the next few months play out with the crypto game. Again, that's where I got most of my money. So yeah, and if any of you guys want me to make videos on that particular crypto, let me know. I'm not a pro by any means, but obviously I've made some correct moves. So yeah, just let me know if you want to see videos on that. And I'll get that going. I really want to start dedicating more time to YouTube videos just because it's kind of it's a fun way to interact with people and just see how people live and the successes that come with it as they get older. I know for myself, I've been watching YouTube videos for, God, 10 years or so, and it's just really fun seeing all the people I watch grow up a little bit and watch their successes. And so yeah, I hope you guys like that too. Let me know if you guys have cool shit going on and I'll follow your channels and yada, yada, yada. If you're local in the Pacific Northwest, hit me up and we can do some builds. I've really been itching to work on cars again. So yeah, let me know and I'll see you guys in the next one. Videos will start coming out a lot quicker now with some actual content, not just me sitting by my computer rambling. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you're still here at this 14-minute, 30-second mark, I appreciate you. I hope you're doing well. Hope your family's doing well, and I'll see you shortly. Later.